Hello everybody, I'm T Commando. Well, I got a new toy today. It's the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive Mike Jenkins edition. I was originally looking for the standard, but this was all they had, so went with that. It'll cost you around $240, but it comes with everything that you'll need: truck, radio, battery, and charger. And without further ado, let's open this puppy up. Oh, lovely plastic wrapping. There we go. Look at that beast. Some extra goodies here. Take a look at that later. Here's our radio. If I remember right, 4 AA batteries. That's what you'll need. 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Get this out of the plastic. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the inside. Comes with the battery, waterproof ESC. Here's our steering servo, and supposedly everything's supposed to be waterproof. Thankfully, with it being as wet as it is right now, I should have a good chance to test it out. So we'll go through everything and then go ripping. Alright, here we go. Oh, what do you think of it? Whee! Oh, you like it, Maggie? Alright, we'll leave it be. Hey, get your baby. Maggie, what are you doing there? Come here. Ooh. Oh, I got stuck in the snow. What do you think of it, Maggie, huh? Yeah, is it fun? Oh, am I nice? That's why. Alright, leave it alone, Maggie. Hey, come here. Come here. Loves off-road. Didn't want to hit my camera. It doesn't have particularly good stopping power. Nailed it. Not quite on that one.
Gotta hit that little guy right there.
Ooh! Oh, there went my antenna whip. I'm wondering if my battery is finally starting to die. So I haven't been able to get a full pack through it yet. She might finally be dying. We'll get off one more good jump. Like that. And another rollover. Ah, but I gotta counter that with a good jump. Ooh, just managed to land it. All right, out here at the Glen Hills Scenic Overlook, little snow pile, take it off some sweet jumps. Ooh, maybe not into the rock that's over there. Have to take it off somewhere else. Let's just do a couple tests. Oh, I almost cleared that rock. Ah, I gotta aim it up. I almost cleared that rock. Ah, crap. At least I can get back down. Ooh. Let's see if I can find my way back out. Ow! I was right into the rock. So one thing that I've been wondering, and that you probably are wondering, is how does the Traxxas Slash compare with other vehicles in the same scale? Well, 1/10 scale Team Associated TC3, my first hobby grade RC. There's the Traxxas Slash. Not a bad size. And definitely good for off-roading. So if you want a cheap, relatively cheap hobby grade off-roader, I would definitely suggest a standard edition Traxxas 2-wheel drive. Especially if you're gonna have puppies around, right, Maggie? Yeah. Especially if there's gonna be puppies around. Yeah. Someone might be able to outrun them. Yeah. Am I right? Am I right, Poochie? Yeah. Am I right? Yeah. Well, that was loads of fun. Slash is all dirty now, so maybe running a little bit more than gonna go home and clean it. Maybe figure out what's making the noise in the drivetrain. Trying to get you a good angle at it. something's squeaking in there, so I need to go home and look at it. But anyway, very fun vehicle, very fun. So I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing and a couple batch sessions of the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. I'll be doing more of these, and I hope I will see you in my next video. See ya.